I'm here to talk about one of my favorite plants in the garden, eggplant. Every year to get good eggplant crops, I've got to battle flea beetles. Today I'm going to show you a fairly new product that's proven pretty successful in this battle against flea beetles. It's called Surround. And it's basically a white powder. It's kaolin clay that's been pulverized very finely. We mix it with water, approximately 1 cup of Surround to 1 liter of water. We're going to spray it on our eggplants, and this will create a nice particle barrier. Once the liquid spray dries, flea beetles have a difficult time finding the plant and feeding on the leaves. Here's a photo of an eggplant that's not been protected with Surround, and you can see a lot of flea beetle damage. And here's an eggplant that's been sprayed several times with Surround, and you can see a nice heavy coating of Surround on the leaves. So we're going to go right out to the garden and show how to do this. So we've got 3 Japanese eggplant in our demonstration garden here that were protected earlier in the season with floating row cover. Now we're just going to start applying the Surround and getting a nice, just like painting with a paint sprayer, getting a nice even coating. Try to get under the leaves as best you can. We want plenty of pressure in the sprayer. The plants do look whitewashed, and a lot of gardeners wonder if they're not damaging their plants, but actually photosynthesis and growth is not negatively affected by the Surround. So we're spraying it once today. We'll come back in a couple of days, spray it again, and then even a 3rd time, because we want to get a pretty good thick coating of the Surround on the plants. If it rains hard, we'll have to reapply it to make sure that that barrier stays intact on the plant. Surround is certified organic and completely safe to use in the garden. When you spray it on your plants, some will get on the fruits. You can wash that off very easily with water, and it is safe to consume, safe for your family.